Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Viewers, in my previous video I discussed some of the important work permits issued by the Ministry of Labor, which is temporary, part-time and the mission work permit. So this is the second part of the remaining work permits. So kindly, if you did not subscribe my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. I have seen there are many viewers, they are watching my videos but they are not subscribing. I am giving you practical information because you will not get this by the Google or some websites, because there is some rules and regulation changing every day and that is not updated. So kindly stay with me. So guys, the relative work permit, as you know by the name, the relative work permit service is used to apply for work permits for a lady who is under the husband sponsorship or the father, and this is not by the companies. And there is a UE national lady sponsored also, and also the national female husband also can avail this service. So the validity of this permit is 2 years, and the service procedure is that the application has to submit in Tahsil center or apply by the company portals. They have the use if they have the username and password. And the requirement of the documents is the passport validity 6 month, resident visa validity at least 6 month validity also, and husband and either the parent passport copy, their Emarat ID, their labor contract, and the applicant qualification, academic qualification certificate also required for this one. And if the lady is under the husband sponsorship and she is a teacher or doctor or nurse, so in that case a letter of approval issued by the competent authority shall be attached. And this is the requirement for the relative work permit. So guys, if you are looking from the screen, there are two husband or father sponsorship and UE national lady. So we were the most important document to get the relative work permit is the NOC. The husband has to issue a NOC that he do not have objection for his wife to work in the company, and similar for the father, he has to issue NOC that he do not have objection for his daughter or the son to work in the company. This is the important thing, and this NOC has to sign by them. Now, by the application, a question can be raised in the mind of the viewers that if the husband is under the wife's sponsorship, why he cannot get this relative work permit? So viewers, in the Ministry of Labor, there is not such application. So if the husband is under the wife's sponsorship, the case is that he can get temporary work permit. So he has to apply temporary work permit, and he will get it, which is the 6 month. So there is no application for the husband to get the relative work permit. So this is the requirement for everything. So guys, there is another work permit which is called juvenile work permit. So guys, this is the service by the Mohre to any establishment to recruit a national or foreign worker in the age category which is 15 to 18 years, not less than 15, not more than 18. So between the this age, and they should reside in the UAE. So this permit is valid for a period not exceeding to 1 year. So on the other hand, we can say this is the permit is for the 1 year, and the relative is 2 years. So guys, for the juvenile work permit, they are issuing for the students, and the requirement for the this permit is a valid certificate fitness issued from the competent official health. This is the main, and the written consent of the juvenile parent or guardian that they do not have objection for their kid to work in their child, not a kid, I'm sorry, to work in the company. And they have to provide their contract copy, their passport copy, and their visa copy. And the applicant should have also the passport and visa copy. So this is the permit nowadays they are issuing for the some of the students. So if they want to work as a trainee in the companies, this is the important work permit also. So so guys, if the juvenile want to work in the company for as a trainee with the age from 15 to 18 years, so they can avail this service. And the Ministry of Labor, they are issuing the work permit under the condition if they are fulfilling. So guys, there are five kind of work permits I cover in my two videos. This is a short video, hopefully you will like this one. And I request you to subscribe and share my channel with your friends. Thank you for watching.